away from the house into the market. She must look for some fruits and food she can eat. She is having fun, but wants to go home. It is getting dark. There are many cars on the road because it is the end of the workday. Then she sees something stops playing and lands on top of a parked car. She sees a police officer and he is directing traffic. He is also dancing. Para has never seen a police officer dance. The police officer is smiling. Para wants to learn more about this man.
Tapos na?